always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
And we do continue to track that summer-like heat across South Florida, but that's not even the main weather headline for us. The main thing that you need to know about as we head into the weekend is going to be the risk for some potentially strong storms. In fact, our rain chances overall are going to be on the rise starting tomorrow and all the way through at least the middle of next week. That storm threat for tomorrow is enough to issue a next weather alert day for us. Now, we've been forecasting for quite some time now that it's going to be an active weekend with rain chances around 50 to 60% each day. But now we're seeing the severe weather potential for some of those strong storms as we roll into the middle to back half of your day on Saturday. So let's go ahead and take a look at the severe weather threat. This is the reason why we've issued the next weather alert day. Overnight last night, the Storm Prediction Center did place all of Broward County and most of Miami-Dade County under a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather. Let me be fully transparent with you here. Everywhere shaded on the screen right now does not mean that you will see severe weather. It just means that the atmosphere has all the ingredients to create strong storms, and some of our forecast models have been hinting at that. So let's go ahead and also take a look at the next weather rain tracker to time everything out for you. Today, yes, we do have a storm threat. It's about a 30% chance, but these are not expected to be strong. They start to develop around 2 to 3 o'clock in portions of Miami-Dade and Broward County. They'll continue to hover around Broward County for the early evening, and then we quiet down overnight. We basically lose that heating after sunset. As we make our way into Saturday midday, think around 12 to 1 o'clock, we start to see some of those showers move into Broward County. They start sagging down to the south by 2 or 3 o'clock, and some of these could contain storms that have damaging wind associated with them. Flash forward into Sunday, and that's where we see another batch of scattered showers and storms. Not everyone's going to get showers each day, but there's a reason for that. I think what we're going to have to monitor is the potential for some Saharan dust to start moving into the area. In fact, if we take a look at that Saharan dust from the entire western basin, this is traveling all the way from the west coast of Africa across the Atlantic. We're used to seeing it this time of year, but it's already going to start moving into parts of South Florida as we make our way into the weekend. Now, that does kind of lower our rain chances a bit. In fact, Saharan dust dries out a lot of the moisture in the atmosphere, so that could fluctuate our rain chances over the next week. In regard to our temperatures, lower to mid-90s for this afternoon, so we're still feeling that summer-like heat with feels like temperatures up to the triple digits. If you'd like to beat the heat and you're not going to the Giants and Marlins game, you can catch it on CW Miami 33. If you are heading out to the stadium, temperatures will be in the upper 80s. I think that isolated storm threat will mostly stay toward our north, but just so that you're aware of that. On Sunday, hurricane season kicks off, and we will see daily rain chances extending through the middle of next week with highs around 90 degrees.